So hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about MTD, QTD and YTD in Power BI DAX. So how you can use this and what are its use. So let's check it out. Like first of all we will create a table here, and in table we will take our order date, and next we will take our profit or either sales. We will put a sales here. Now if you want to, like it's showing a sales, whatever sales we have made. Now first of all we will use our total MTD. So what is total MTD? Total MTD give us a cumulative sales by month. So how we can make it? For making it, we go to the new measure here and give it a name, total Q MTD. First of all we will make MTD equal to, then we will type the formula name here, total MTD. I have to select month to date, then we have to take the formula here, that is your sum, order sales. We will put here order sales, then we will close this, then I will put comma, then I will take order date and dot date and just press this enter here. So now we have total MTD here, and now if you want to add this here in our table here, total MTD, I just have to show this here it is, and if I will add this in our table and see whatever is the difference. So what is the difference between the sum of sales and this total MTD is, like it is monthly adding day by day whatever sales we have made. Like here our sales is your 1,481, and the another case it will increase, then it will increase, then it will increase, and simultaneously it keeps on increasing. And where is like it's only showing us the sales only, and here like if we go till January till the last, so it will show us a total sales of January there. So this is the difference with this total MTD. It is showing us cumulative. Cumulative means it is adding one by one all these sales. Next is your total QTR. QTR will you are add according to your month. So I will make a new according to a quarter. So this has added according to a month, and this time we will add it to our quarter. Total QTR, I will give the name, then I will press equal to, and after pressing equal to I will give it the formula, and that is total QTR QTD. That's formula. QTD is the formula, sorry, it's not QTR, it's QTD. And after that I will give our date expression, which is sum of our order sales, because we are doing the sales here, and I just close this, then comma, and the next thing is our order date dot date. So we have to find out according to dates our quarterly cumulative sales. So total QTR, we have a new measure here, total QTR. I will just add this here. So now what's the difference here is, like at the end of January we have a cumulative total here, but in the case of total MTD, it's again MTD, we have to take QTR here, and we have to take a QTR here. So QTR, like it keeps on increasing till the end of the quarter. So this is the difference, like this is our MTD and this is our QTR. I will take one MTD and one QTR, so you will understand this much better. So this is the difference here between MTD and QTR. Like at the end of the month, like here we will end in January, it will added up all our sales, but it keeps on going. Like in the case of quarter, it's keep on going till March end, and March end is our 31st, so it will add till there. So this is the difference between there. Next is like we can do it yearly also, and for that we can even use the quick measure also. So we will click on the quick measure, and here we will take year to date, year to date total, and in our base value I will just click over this order table here, and from here I will take sales, and in date I will take our order date, because this is the measure like from which we can close, and just click here. Now we have no new sales YTD has been created, and I just click over this and drag this to this our formula here, and just click this. So we have sales here according to our yearly, on the basis of year. So now we have this sales according to yearly, monthly and quarterly. So we have both three reports which will show of us a cumulative idea about our sales. Like quarterly, if you will see quarterly, so after each quarter it will add, as we have seen earlier. It will go till quarter one, and when the quarter one will add, it will add. So it will add here till, and after that it will start again. And yearly it will start after a year. So if you will go after a year, so after a year it will add. So we will just go down and see after a year it will add. So this is the addition for the quarter, and then it will start again. So for month it will start add till month, for quarter it will add till quarter, and for year it will add till add. So this is the way we can find out things in this table. And beside that, what we can do, we can create some maps charts here. Like suppose like we have a chart here, so we change our total MTD, QTD and all things here. But instead of that, if I will put some, like we have yearly sales here, and now like we will put our yearly wise like total sales, which is our monthly sales, like what we have cumulative sales monthly wise. So it will show that also. And if we will make another chart here and put it there, and here we will like to find out our sales orders. If we will put here order date, and in sales we will take our sales yearly, and just put this remove this from there. So according to our yearly sales, it will show us cumulative idea, like in which year what sales we have made, and it can show us some more details wise things here. And if you like it's monthly, we can take monthly also. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching.